Ambassadors, UN officials, private sector leaders, and renowned scientists gathered at the New York headquarters of the International Organization for South-South Cooperation and South-South News to discuss the development and application of innovative technology for water treatment and sanitation.
Water quality is a huge problem, and clean, drinkable water is becoming a scarce commodity. Therefore, different governments, private and non-governmental entities are modernizing the existing mechanisms and create new ones to tackle this problem.
Facilitated by IOSSC, representatives of the Kiev Polytechnic Institute at the National Technical University of Ukraine presented their major innovations that help address water scarcity and sanitation problems to the attendees, many of whom represented small island developing states who face potential water-related challenges now and in the future.
We try to propose not only technologies but solutions, which are the architectures which we create from different technologies, depending on the specific conditions and specific requirements of this or that region of the world.
Water has become a key issue of global development. Millennium Development Goal 7C urged states to have the proportion of the population without access to clean water. According to the United Nations, this goal has been met successfully, but over 750 million people still live without access to safe water resources. Unsanitary water still accounts for 80% of diseases, and over the next 15 years, up to 50 countries will face critical water shortages. That is why governments and the private sector are joining together to form partnerships in the developing world to provide the technology necessary to address today's and tomorrow's water challenges.
Only international organizations like United Nations, like South-South Cooperation, can help us, can combine together the needs of different regions of the world and some potential of research and technology of our region.
I think it's an example of when we collaborate, when we look to partnerships with similar interest, and when we have the common interest, we can pool our resources, pool our ideas.
Participants at today's meeting expressed hope that this technology and partnerships facilitated by development stakeholders like IOSSC can lead to new opportunities in their own countries.
I really feel that this was a very insightful and forward-looking discussion, and presenting such technology to small island developing states presents for them an option to develop their water resource management.
This is Brendan Pastor for South-South News, New York.